bridge like.
Oh, yeah, okay.
And there's a bay over here. Y'all can see that real good. There it is, Destin. This is like the...
That's the Destin sign.
This is a very famous area, so...
So anyway, the shirt called White Cracker Bread. It's a black t-shirt with his face. I think it's White Cracker Bread.
White sand, real white sand.
Called himself, or the reason why he talks about it is because Twitter, there's black Twitter and there's regular Twitter. You know, Trump is always on Twitter. But they have black Twitter, and it's just a bunch of black people that talk to one another on Twitter. But anyway, he said something out the way about black people.
Yeah.
And somebody told him he didn't know what he was talking about, white cracker bread. So every time he hears it, he says, white cracker bread. He made a t-shirt out of that. And I could never wear that t-shirt. I was going to wear it when I can't wear that shirt.
McGuire.
That's a, they got one in Pensacola. They got some, remember that we drove past over here.
That's a big.
Yeah, Marcia, that one there was big. The one in Pensacola. I think it was.
Restaurant.
Yeah, the one
That's a hotel.
I think this. No, this ain't AJ's, but see those towers?
Emerald
they got
Grande.
right there? Those are those. You go across a cable or something like that. You can slide across.
Swing line.
Yeah, that's
zip
it.
line.
Zip line. That's it. You can see it from here. Zip line. They got like a little thing near, then you go down here.
It's like a boardwalk, that's what it is. It's called a harbor walk.
Harbor walk, yeah.
All down below there.
I think this is where, yeah, here it is, AJ's.
I love fat boys.
Here, so this is what Marcia was telling you that.
How do you go? I lost some rain back there.
It's kind of dead today, but normally that's the restaurant part, and there's an upstairs, and you can go downstairs, or you can walk down here, and they got the harbor walk. It's down there. I don't know. Did y'all want to go down there? Or you just want to stay? I don't know if anything's open there, man. You just have, dang, we don't have no handicap sticker.
You can drive down there?
No.
You can drive down there?
I ain't never did. I don't think you can. I'm not gonna try it, but that's where it's at down in there. You walk through there. You walk down. There's a walkway all down in there. They got shops on each side. But no, you can't drive that. I don't know why they ain't got a sign, but
Only business.
yeah.
Well, that one, I can't get my phone.
But that's where it's at.
Look at this, the Marlin turning back and forth. It was moving.
Might be the wind blowing.
I don't know,
That
but
blue marlin, that might be a real one too.
and it was moving.
You said a real one?
No, I said it was moving.
That fish, they say it could be a real blue marlin. 'Cause you know they
There
can
it
do
is.
that.
It's
They
moving.
catch them and they put them in.
See it moving a little bit?
Yeah, I see it now.
That's the wind, probably.
Yeah, but it's like a little walkway down through there. That you can
So,
walk.
do y'all need some palms for your palms saved for next Palm Sunday?
No.
Got there's a bunch right there.
It won't be no good by the time next Sunday comes.
I can send y'all some.
One of the best ways is to do it with a smile. Here's a
Get my machete and cut a paper.
on top 10 now and then.
That AJ's a good place to eat too. We've been there. We've been there. You can, in the summer, you can go out. If you go upstairs, you can go outside and sit on the thing. You see all the boats coming in. That's where you see the fish. That's where I saw them catching the red snapper and big mackerel, king mackerel. They had some big ones on there too.
NFL ticket. Waterfront.
Actually, it's pretty good today to drive down here. Ain't no cars out here. Normally it'd be congested out there. We're on a good day as far as driving.
Well, that's a good thing.
There's a lot of amusement stuff down here too. Keep going down here, you'll see they got like these little amusement parks, like little small ones. They got jet skis, pontoon boats. So there's the beach areas over there, the beach resorts.
Yeah, they got pontoons on the side. You can rent, I guess.
There's a $5 beach store. I think that's new. I haven't seen that before. Some other channel, Gilligan Seafood.
Gilligan? Oh, that is a Gilligan Seafood. Well, where's Gilligan?
I know. He's still on that island.
It must be.
He's still.
No, they came back off
Castaway.
they came back off the island and got civilized and then went back to the island.
Oh yeah, I remember that one show.
Yeah, they came back from the island and went back to it.
If we was eating at AJ's, like you go there, you can see all this stuff over here. You see
Mm-hmm.
the boats coming in. I don't know what this is. Tell you about a faithful trip.
Yeah. Destin seafood market. Ooh-wee. Seafood for days.
Oh yeah. Non-stop seafood everywhere.
Yeah.
This is a seafood heaven here.
Seafood for days. Hello everybody. Thank you for watching.
These are beach houses. Now we're gonna take you up here. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to Miramar. We're gonna show you where Michael Jordan's beach home is.
Oh really?
Yeah, he got beach home here, Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan.